Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type is a feline bred with a wild streak and a feral yearning to meet or beat any other sports car on the road. This Jaguar F-Type is a thrilling blend of style, luxury, and performance. High power and low weight means effortless speed. F-Type screams uniqueness, speed, and power. In the end, nothing else really matters. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.